All right, so here we go. I got all my parts in. If you guys remember, this shotgun is was patented in 1903, actually produced by serial number around 1926. So it's 100 years old, pretty much. And I cut this much off the barrel to a legal, in case the YouTube police are watching, to a legal 18-inch length barrel. Now remember, the barrel, I measured from here out, but the barrel really goes in here more. So you could even cut it a little shorter, because the length of the barrel actually goes into the receiver another 3/4 of an inch. But to be on the safe side, from here out, it's 18 inches. So now there's no front bead sight on there, like this. So we don't need that. So what we're gonna do is I went and got myself gonna need it anyway for other projects, a drill and tap kit from Amazon. This is nice. This is actually a ratchet. It has ratchet action. And this is the drill bit size, supposedly, and this is the tap thread size, supposedly, and this is the bead, hopefully with the correct threads from what I read. And if everything's correct, let's hope it works out. And when I'm done, I'm probably going to use red Loctite for this, because once this is in, there's never a reason for that thing to ever come out again. So I would go ahead and use red Loctite when you install your sight. So the next step I did was I got my punch. I made the mark in the center, and I got my punch and hit it with the hammer, because you want to make a little divot in there, because if you don't, when you try to drill it, your drill might start taking a walk on you, and that is frustrating as hell. Even though this surface is flat, it still might not drill right where you want it to drill. It might jump over a little. So that will ensure us the drill bit will not jump over. It'll drill right in the spot it's supposed to. All right, let's see if we can get this focused. So the next thing you want to do is mark your drill bit. Why is that not focusing? Anyway, you want to mark your drill bit, because you don't want to go down too deep. And it's only like a heavy 1/8 of an inch for the bead sight to screw into there. So I got that marked, and you want to use some good tapping oil. This is called Pro Tap. Let me see something here. That's why it's not focusing. Got it. Okay, there it is. Right there. And it looks like a flap on there, but when it's on, and another thing, real important thing, is make sure your drill bit's straight. So you guys know that, but sometimes when you put them in these big chucks, they're not in there straight. So that is straight. And this stuff's only like $5, and it's a big container of it. I mean, you only need a drop. So that'll last me probably forever. And it's called Pro Tap. It helps you tap the threads in, keeps the burrs away, keeps everything smooth. So I'm going to drill into that barrel, no deeper than that. Okay, I got my hole drilled. I used a tap cutting oil, and that stuff really made it like butter. The drill bit was really nice and sharp, which is really important. Just use brand new stuff when you're doing this. Now we're going to tap the threads. All right, I put a drop of Pro Tap in there. It's really watery stuff, but it works good. I got my tap semi started. All right, so I'm just going to tap the threads. I haven't done this kind of stuff in a while, so hopefully it's gonna work. Let's see how far down I am. Yeah, I'm pretty much there. So I'm gonna back this out. Switch it to reverse. And the most important thing you want to do when you're doing this is get your air hose, blow it out, then get this stuff. I use this stuff for everything. It's a great degreaser. It's a great cleaner. Brake clean, man. I use it for getting. Sometimes I'll mark my holsters with a white magic marker, and you can't get it off. Squirt a little bit of this on a rag, takes it off like it's chalk, like it's nothing. So I'm gonna get all them burrs out of there, blow it out really, really good, and then I'm going to degrease it with this. And then after it dries, we're going to use a strong Loctite. I gotta go find it and hope and pray that these threads match these threads. Let's see what happens. Okay, I blew it out with the air hose, cleaned it out with the brake cleaner to degrease all the pipe cutting, pipe fluid cutting oil. You want that out of there, because if you don't, it's going to dilute the thread locker. So everything's got to be clean. You can use alcohol, but I recommend brake clean. It really, so I'm going to put a drop. I know you can't see this. I'm going to put a drop of red Loctite on there. And we're going to start this little bead. In the thread. Hopefully the threads are cooperating. Okay, I think I got it started. Yep. There's the neighbor. Share a driveway. Yeah, that's a good idea. Share a driveway. It's an awesome idea. Get a house and share a driveway. All right. So there's the bead. Now, not sticking out through the barrel, which is good. Now I want to find a way to tighten it without screwing it up, since it's a round ball like that. I would like to get a little turn on it anyway, just a half a turn, just to make it tight. But as you can see, it's pretty much dead center. Okay. Close enough for me. Now you got a nice front sight on there, but I would really feel more comfortable getting a little turn on this sucker somehow without screwing it up. Hold on. I need a piece of rubber or something. So I found a piece of silicone from my press. So I'm just going to put that over the bead, because this stuff is tough and the teeth won't cut through it. Grab a hold of the bead and just give it a little turn like that. Now I'm going to see if I can back it out. I can't back it out, so that's tight enough. Now the Loctite will do the rest. It is red Loctite, so that should be good to go. And then there it is. There it is. So we cut the barrel down to 18 inches. Drilled and tapped a sight on there. Tomorrow the Loctite will be cured. And one day, I don't know when, one day I'm going to take this to the range, put some ammo through it, and that's it. I hope you liked the video. Hope it helped you. Here comes the train. Right at the end of the video. Let's see if he blows his horn. There he goes. And that's what you call a total jerk off. Blow it out your ass.